Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kella. Let's just get right into it. I'm not gonna do an introduction or anything like that. I'll save that for another video. What we're gonna do today is applying makeup with random household objects. Are you ready to see what I picked? Dish sponge. We got a red apple. We have this little dental mirror thing. And we have a sock. I already have my face primed. I already did my eyeshadow. We're gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation today. I'm gonna use the sock. This sock is actually kind of special and it's got this little shiny whatever piece to like try to keep it on your ankle, I guess, for a better grip. I'm gonna try and use that part. This is actually working out. It sort of reminds, well, I don't want to say it reminds me because I've never actually used one of those things. The little silicone whatchamadoodles. Sock, check. That worked very well. I'm gonna use my Black Opal Beauty Cream Stick Foundation. This is what I use for contouring. I use the color Black Opal. The color Black Walnut. I'm gonna use this. So we're just gonna take this end of it, or should I take it this end? I'll try this end. Kind of roll it across the top. Okay, so we got it applied. Now how are we gonna blend this? Sponge, apple, or sock? Go with the sock, but I'm not gonna use the plastic part this time. Time for the highlighter. I was about to grab a brush. I cannot put it on with a brush. Using my depotted concealers. Now how am I gonna get this out of here? Do you see how little these squares are? Stem off the apple. Oh wait, no, I'm dumb. Forgot I have another tool. Good thing I picked something little, huh? See? Right there. Please help me. See? This thing works so good. I think I just made my nose look wider though. I think the sponge is like messing my stuff up. Keeps making little splotches on my face and I don't like that. Now we have to do our Ben Nye powder in Fair because it's got the little pinky undertone. I'm gonna try this one more time. One more time. Hopefully because it's damp it'll work like my beauty blender. Really? Yeah, so we're just gonna, use this for the rest of the time. We don't need any of the other tools because this one right here is golden. I'm just playing because that would be boring and I still have to use the apple. I haven't used the apple yet. Looks alright. On camera it looks good from what I'm seeing, but in person I usually put this on before my foundation. We're gonna try it right now after. We're gonna use the apple. Yay! It's actually working pretty well. See? Needs to be blended a little more. Wow. Let's all start applying and blending our highlight with an apple. Now that was just the liquid part. Now we gotta do the powder. We're almost done. Just kind of fast. Thought it was gonna take way longer than this, and I thought it was gonna be way harder. I like this apple. Hopefully it does good with the powder too. Come through with the highlight. Okay, about to start doing this every day, and I'm not playing. The other stuff I was playing about, because I keep an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. About to be straight applying. Get it? Applying. I'm corny, leave me alone. My boyfriend tells me all the time. I did that. Tell me I didn't. Tell me I didn't. And last but not least, yips. Find a clean side of the apple. You'd come in handy. So I'm gonna vote on each object that I use. I'm gonna have to go with the sock for number 1 just because of this part. I'm gonna start applying highlighter with apple. This came in third because it wasn't like good or bad. It was just in the middle. It wasn't nothing spectacular. Sponge is last for sure because that just kept messing everything up. Probably because it was wet. I don't know how it worked. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you want to become a part of my Beautube clan. Like, comment, dislike it if you didn't like it. That's cool too. Thank you for watching anyways. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat, so we can keep up with each other. And if you try anything that I did in the video, please post it on Instagram, tag me in it. I would love to see what you guys did or how it came out for you guys. Comment any video suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.